Hi everyone, this is Akash, a quality expert from RSJ Inspections. In this video, I am going to explain about a quality control process called during production inspection, and furthermore, I am going to add about its benefits and what are the checks that will be covered and how to get this done as well. So, let's get into this video. Firstly, during production inspection is basically an on-site product inspection that is done when the 40 to 50% of the production is finished. The main purpose of taking this inspection is to check whether the factory is following the original specifications and to check whether the production will be completed on time or not. The benefits of this inspection are it helps to improve the quality and enables us to correct if any mistakes happens at the initial stage itself. So this helps in drastically reduces the losses while production, and it also mainly helps in strengthening the production chain and enhancing the brand image as well. The checks that will be covered in during production inspection are starts from quantity check, production, workmanship till on-site test. Each and every test will be covered in during production inspection. So now let's see one by one in detail from the upcoming slides. Firstly, the quantity check. Based on the production flow, quantity is verified with the total quantity. Next comes the product description. In this, the product specification as well as the requirement will be checked whether it meets the client requirements or not. Next comes the workmanship. Here, the manufacturing attributes like inner and the outer surfaces of the product will be checked. Next comes the measurement part. This measurement check is done in order to verify the measuring instruments or tools are being well managed and the persons who are involved in this manufacturing is skilled at measuring or not. Next to the measurement comes labeling and inner packing. This test is done in order to ensure that the wash care labels and the product description is mentioned properly or not. Next comes packing and packaging. This test is done in order to avoid the damage of the product during the shipment or transporting process. Next comes on-site test. This test helps us to assure that the product is being manufactured as per the contractual specifications. These are all the various checkpoints that is being covered during production inspection. Now, how to get this done? This can be done in three ways. First thing is hire a local representative. Next is sending your own quality team to the factory and conducting this inspection. And the third is like partnering up with an accredited third-party assessment company so that they can assist and give you the detailed findings. In case if you want to know more about this inspection, you can always download a model report by scanning this QR code which is mentioned in this presentation, or you can download it by clicking the link which is mentioned in the description as well. In case if you have any queries or if you need any support in scheduling a during production inspection, you can always visit rsjqa.com or send us a mail through contact@rsjqa.com. Our team will get back to you and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video very informative, you can like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video once again, and we'll see you in next video.